Cleo the Coastal Crab. English stories to support your English learning by English with Miss Julia. Cleo the Coastal Crab lived on a wide, sandy shore. Every day she explored the beach with careful steps. The tide came and went, changing everything she saw. Cleo loved discovering how the shoreline transformed. One morning, Cleo noticed tiny ridges in the sand. They stretched across the beach like delicate waves. She touched them with her claws and felt their rough texture. These patterns were formed by the retreating tide. As the water pulled back, it carved smooth channels. Cleo followed these winding paths with curiosity. The wet sand felt cool and soft beneath her. She realized the ocean was shaping the land. Cleo found a patch of coarse sand filled with shells. Each grain felt sharp and uneven. She compared it to the fine, silky sand nearby. The difference amazed her curious mind. A shallow tide pool shimmered in the sunlight. Its surface was smooth like glass. Cleo peered inside and saw tiny fish swimming. The pool showed her another kind of shoreline pattern. Further along, she discovered ripples in damp sand. They looked like tiny waves frozen in time. Cleo traced them carefully with her claws. She called them the ocean's fingerprints. The wind began to blow across the beach. It created soft, shifting dunes. Cleo watched the sand move and reshape itself. Nature was always changing its design. Cleo reached an area where sand was muddy. Her claws sank slightly into the damp silt. The texture was sticky and smooth at the same time. She learned that water changes how sand feels. Nearby, small holes dotted the ground. Other crabs had made these tiny homes. Cleo noticed the circular patterns around them. She admired the geometry of their design. A wave rolled in and erased the patterns. Cleo watched as everything disappeared. But soon new shapes began to form again. The shoreline was always renewing itself. Cleo climbed over a cluster of smooth stones. They had been polished by the sea. Their surfaces felt cool and rounded. Water had shaped them over time. She noticed long lines stretching across the sand. They were formed by drifting seaweed. The lines looked like natural drawings. Cleo found them fascinating. If you are enjoying this story thus far, please consider clicking the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you may be reminded of our other stories. At low tide, more of the beach was revealed. New textures and patterns appeared everywhere. Cleo felt like an explorer discovering hidden worlds. Each step brought something new. A gentle wave created swirling shapes. They looked like spirals in the sand. Cleo followed one spiral with excitement. It reminded her of a secret code. The sun dried parts of the beach quickly. Dry sand became light and powdery. Wet sand stayed dark and firm. Cleo learned how sunlight changed the shore. She found tiny pebbles arranged in lines. The tide had placed them carefully. They formed neat and organized patterns. Cleo admired their symmetry. A seagull landed nearby and left footprints. The marks formed a repeating trail. Cleo followed them across the sand. She enjoyed discovering these natural paths. As the tide returned, water filled the channels. The pattern softened and shifted again. Cleo watched closely from a safe spot. She loved observing these transformations. The ocean created smooth, reflective pools. They mirrored the sky above. Cleo saw clouds reflecting in the water. It felt like a magical illusion. She explored an area filled with tiny ridges. They formed a textured surface under her claws. Each ridge was carefully shaped by water movement. Cleo admired their delicate structure. A strong wave flattened the sand completely. The surface became smooth and even. Cleo noticed how quickly things could change. The shoreline was full of surprises. She found a mix of sand and shells. The texture felt rough and varied. Each step gave her a new sensation. Cleo loved comparing these differences. A gentle slope led down to the water. The sand here was firm and packed. Cleo walked easily across it. It felt stable and secure. She noticed tiny bubbles forming in wet sand. They appeared as water seeped upward. Cleo touched them gently with curiosity. They popped and disappeared instantly. The tide left behind curved lines. They formed elegant arcs across the beach. Cleo traced them with careful steps. She loved their graceful shape. She reached a patch of soft, dry sand. It shifted under her weight. Her footprints were deep and clear. Cleo enjoyed seeing her trail behind her. A rock pool revealed hidden textures. Its surface was uneven and detailed. Cleo explored every corner slowly. She found new patterns everywhere. She saw overlapping ripples in the sand. They crossed each other in complex ways. Cleo studied their layered design. It looked like a natural artwork. The breeze created fine lines across the beach. They were light and delicate. Cleo watched them change with every gust. The patterns were always moving. She noticed areas where water had pooled. The sand there was smooth and shiny. It reflected light beautifully. Cleo admired its polished look. The shoreline at sunset looked magical. Colors reflected across wet sand. Patterns glowed in the fading light. Cleo felt peaceful and inspired. As night fell, the beach became quiet. The patterns remained under the moonlight. Cleo watched them shimmer softly. The shoreline had a gentle beauty. Cleo realized every pattern had meaning. The ocean, wind, and sun worked together. They shaped the land in endless ways. She felt proud of her discoveries. From that day on, Cleo explored with purpose. She shared her knowledge with other crabs. They learned to notice textures and patterns. The shoreline became their classroom. And so Cleo the coastal crab continued her journey. Each tide brought new shapes and textures. She always stayed curious and observant. The shoreline was full of endless wonders. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way we may assist learners from all over the world with their English learning. And do stay connected to see and study the vocabulary used in this story. We look forward to seeing you in our next story.